So sustainability in IoT really is paramount. We're historically a plug-in SIM card manufacturer. So the first thing we do is reduce waste. We reduce plastic and ultimately into recyclable materials. And then, of course, have been utilizing and embracing embedded SIM for many years now, to the tune of eSIM enabling over 750 million devices already. Industry shows that has a 50%, approximately 46% reduction in CO2 emissions for the life cycle of an embedded SIM versus a plug-in SIM. And as we continue our drive towards iSIM, you can actually gain a 10 times efficiency further in reduction of CO2. In addition, G&D is very proud of the fact that our data centers, which are actually managing the distribution of the eSIMs, are all running on green energy today. Well, sustainability goals for corporates are obviously their own responsibility, but one of the biggest challenges for them is supply chain. G&D's products today are in billions of devices around the world in IoT, both from plug-in and integrated. So certainly focusing through those capabilities of their supply chain and companies like us is a key enabler for ESG. We too measure these metrics as a KPI side by side with our top line and bottom line. It's an incredibly important environment, and we're focusing heavily on supporting our customer base. So traditionally, IoT has been considered as highly complex. Our goal in Charter is really to simplify that. The eSIM enablement of devices makes that deployment much, much easier, but not just in the deployability. It's also in the management capability thereafter. The ability to enable large-scale deployments of multiple devices across multiple geographies with complete flexibility and security. And security is probably the most core, and it's at the root of G&D. In all of our business practices, we kind of evolved from a security background, and it's paramount. As you may have heard in some of the sessions that were going on in the presentations today, the root of trust is essential, and G&D consider ourselves a root of trust in the industry as a company-to-company provider.